Hey, hi there. I saw that you're looking for someone who can assist you to automate and integrate ElevenLabs with your overall business process and the automation flow. So yeah, I can do it. There are a couple of ways we can achieve this integration and automation. First of all, we can directly work with ElevenLabs APIs. So we can write a Python code or JavaScript and host it on a server or Amazon Lambda type instances. And second, we can use a platform like Make.com. So these are no-code, low-code platforms, and we can very well connect ElevenLabs, its input-output with any of the other applications. I'll quickly showcase you both of them. So over here, first of all, let's go with ElevenLabs API. So this is ElevenLab API documentation, and primarily it has almost all type of APIs available. So text to speech, speech to speech, and all these are to create. So once we get into this, let's say we'll have to provide all these parameters, and these are the API endpoint. So here we can straightforward work upon the ElevenLab API. Now they also include history, any sort of samples, users, voice samples, modules, and so many things. So we can almost handle any of the ElevenLab segment from the APIs. Now, second part is using it with a platform like Make and Zapier. So while we're working on Make.com, you can see here it has ElevenLab app available. Along with that, there are thousands of other applications are also available. Let's focus on ElevenLabs now. And it has two things. One is we can create a speech synthesis. So we can generate speech from the text. And second, we can do API call. So the API is what we saw in last time. They all can be handled. They all can be managed or connected with this make an API call. Now, working on ElevenLabs, I created so many different automations. I'll quickly walk you through. So my capabilities with ElevenLab configuration. So here, this was the assignment where I had to create a audio transcription. The files were stored into a Google Drive and taking them into transcription. So it was like audio file transcribed from audio to text using ChatGPT Whisper, then created a completion, and then finally generate audio with GPT, converted that audio into ElevenLabs, and finally that audio was sent out using the Slack. So that was one thing. Secondly, I created a complete voice bot using ElevenLabs API and the ChatGPT on Telegram. Or this particular project was around the celebrity chat or celebrity voice chat, I would say. So the users can come on a particular Telegram channel. They can put some voice comment there, or maybe they can talk to a celebrity. So as soon as they send their voice note, that voice note get processed using ChatGPT, and finally it is replying using ElevenLab with that particular model or that particular celebrity's voice tone and sending out back to Telegram. So these kind of automations are also done. Then there is something about health tech news. So there was a client who wanted from US who wanted to create podcast using ElevenLabs. So he was taking data from different news websites and processing that data using ChatGPT and ElevenLabs, and finally sending out to podcast platform called SoundCloud. So yeah, these kind of things can be done very well, and I have good experience working on ElevenLabs and ChatGPT. So I can assist you with any of your projects. So let me know if this excites, and I'm more than happy to connect on a call and discuss your project in further details. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye.